Hello, my loves. Today I wanted to share with you something really special that happened a couple of weeks ago. It's another miracle that took place in my life. I was going through a very stressful situation, a very stressful time, and honestly, inside I felt a lot of despair. I felt helpless. To such a degree that I couldn't sleep at night. I was worried, I was preoccupied, I didn't feel any energy, like I didn't want to do anything. I wanted to spend all of my time in bed. So one of those nights when I couldn't sleep and I'd wake up worrying about this particular situation, I started saying a simple prayer. I just said, please help me see the situation in a different light. Please show me what I need to do. Please show me the situation the way you see it. And I just said it over and over again, like, in this twilight sort of state where I wasn't fully asleep, but I wasn't also fully awake either. So in the morning when I woke up and I grabbed my phone, like many of us do, I confess, this ad popped up, and this ad was about Ho'oponopono. Now, Ho'oponopono, I'll tell you what it is in a minute. It's not something new to me. It actually worked miracles, big, impossible miracles, something that happened completely unexpectedly, and you cannot explain it with logically. Those miracles happened in my life in the past because of the Ho'oponopono. So because I was saying this prayer over and over again, and because it was a new challenge in my life, I felt a magnetic pull to sign up for that training. So I did. And literally, guys, the first training that opened up, the first video that opened up in that training was this. Ho'oponopono is a way for you to see any life situation through a new perspective. It's literally seeing everything the way the divinity sees it. In other words, it was my prayer answered word for word. I got goosebumps all over my body, and I immediately knew that it was a miracle, something that was an answer to my prayer. You know what I mean? So I did this training in record time, literally like 1 or 2 days. I completed all this certification. I'm now a Ho'oponopono certified coach. And I want to create a course for you guys later on in the fall when I come back to the US from my world travels. But I didn't want to wait until the fall. I wanted to tell you the gist of it really quickly without going into depth. Ho'oponopono it's a ancient Hawaiian tradition. It's a prayer. It's a simple prayer that consists of 4 things. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you. That's it. And you say that over and over again, and somehow the prayer is incredibly powerful. First of all, it creates an incredible clearing in your life. It creates a clearing on an energetic level. It erases the traumatic memories from your past so you can be in this present moment here and now. And when that clearing happens, you get to co-create the life of your dreams with the universe itself, with the divinity itself. It's very simple. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. And you say the prayer to the divinity. You can say it to God, to the universe, whatever is the word that works for you. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. And thank you. And a lot of times people start glitching about why do I have to apologize? To me, it's repentance and forgiveness, right? Mainly to me, I say I'm sorry because to me, it means I'm sorry that I forgot how much I'm loved. I'm sorry that I forgot how blessed I am. I'm sorry I forgot about these abundant blessings that are surrounding me in my everyday life. I'm sorry I forgot. Please forgive me. I clear, my energy, my emotions around people, about events, around the events of my past. I also say it with thinking about something that is coming in my future. Right now we're finishing our world travels. We're now in Sicily, in Cefalo, in Italy. We've been on the road for a year, and we're coming back in the US in 1 month. We have no home. We don't have jobs. We don't have very clear plans for the future. Yet I know deep inside, I have absolute faith and trust that everything will be amazing. And partially in a big way, this prayer, Ho'oponopono prayer, is helping me have that certainty, that faith that everything will be amazing. So I invite you to say it. I love you, I'm sorry, please forgive me, and thank you. And later on in the fall, I'll create a workshop for you guys, a webinar where I'll explain more about it. I'll explain the philosophy behind it and where I think the power is coming from. You don't have to understand it fully for the prayer to work. You don't have to know all the background about Ho'oponopono for the prayer to work its magic. I love you. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.